Welcome to a 360 experience created by Anthony Allen here on Anthony Allen Edits YouTube channel. The YouTube channel that is all about your video editing, hints, tips, tricks and tutorials. This 360 experience has been created just for entertainment purposes so that you can actually have an experience with 360 video. If you're interested and you want to create 360 video or know how to create 360 video, then I can create a tutorial on this, so definitely hit me up in the comment section below if this is something that will interest you. During this demonstration you will be able to scroll around each scene and environment presented to you. If you're on mobile, you'll be able to do this using your finger and touching the screen to move around where you are looking within each shot and environment. For example, the environment that I'm showing to you now, you can actually move around, and when you're not on mobile and you're watching via YouTube, you can also move around the scene using your mouse. Simply click on the video and drag your mouse in order to look around each shot and environment. Remember, this has been edited using Final Cut Pro 10, so if you would like a tutorial on how to create 360 video like the one that I'm showing you now as a demonstration, then hit me up in the comment section so that I know that this is something that you would like to see. Without further ado guys, I'm going to let you get into the video now. Have fun and give us a like and subscribe for more here at Anthony Allen Edits.